Hello everyone, welcome back again to our channel Gaudi Art Division Studio, and as usual you are with me Raditya Prabhakar. We're going to discuss a new project again. This client name is Mr. Martin. We got this person contact from Pak Wayan, Corridor Water Karya. He is from Dutch, Netherlands. We're going to build around 3 or 4 unit project at Cempaka. And we didn't discuss about the design or concept yet, but he told me that he likes design that are like industrial style and very minimalist. So it's going to be combined between minimalist, industrial, and for sure we need to apply something tropical here in Bali to get the permit or the license done properly. Okay, before that, let's check the land first to see the situation around the location from the aerial point of view. Wah, check it out. The character of the land is quite unique. I mean, it's not extreme as we have several projects that the land is quite high. It's at the end, like in the cliff. But this one is still normal, and it's still not going to be cost like a big budget to make the retaining wall. Because in some other option, if we do something extreme, we need to provide something strong enough to support the land. But this is still okay. So basically the land from the back area to the end of the river there on the back, it only has like around 3 until 5 meters difference. You won't see it, you won't feel it too much because the length of the land from the start until the end is quite long. And the area that we're going to build, total area is 10 area. We're going to have like 2-bedroom villa on the front, and in the back, as I'm not wrong, we trying to make like one big unit first, but after many things decide together, finally Mr. Martin just want to have like 3 2-bedroom and 1 bedroom for himself there to stay there. So we're going to discuss directly about the first unit that we're going to develop. But before that, let's see on the field how we discuss together with the team and with Pak Wayan. So today is 14 August and I'm at Villa Barefoot at Cempaka. I take Mr. Martin here to see the sample of the building that we have designed and we built. He wants to know about the material list, what material is going to be applied on his villa. So it's good to see directly what we have done so he know exactly what he wants. So let's check. Right now Mr. Dennis is with Mr. Martin. Let's still discuss everything that we have built here. Let's see. As you know, the view here is amazing. Barefoot Villa Cempaka is the best, one of the best. And yeah, you can see here. Mr. Martin is checking all the material that we use on the building, and Mr. Dennis is guiding here. It's good. Today, 5 September, we discussed with Mr. Martin and Pak Wayan, and also by UN Komang Dendi together here at KDK. We discussed about the design, the final design setup for the material, and also because Mr. Martin going to leave Bali at 14, we try to get everything complete before he leave. So basically we want to get the price finish calculated by the team from Corridor Water Karya, and we can, after the project has been built, so while Mr. Martin already leaving Bali, the project can be started. That's the target why we push a little bit more about the project. Let's see how it goes in our progress in the studio and how Skor Dewata handling the project. Let's go. Now it is the fun part. We're going to discuss the villa number 2. It's weird, right? Because we usually start from number 1, but because after consideration, we start the villa number 2 because the shape is more standard. It's only an L shape. For number 1, we discuss in the other video. Okay, let's go for the concept first. So this is the dividing area or zoning that we do for the land, like 10 area. From the top, we go from the top to the main road. We have some other access to the side. This is a new part that we provide after we discuss with the landowner. So you see here on the area that has been written like that, we have the mark for the access villa. It's only one area or 107.43 square meter. The red one with the dot there, that's going to be the area that we're going to discuss. The land area of villa number 2 for the 2-bedroom. The area itself is 232.65, and the building, for the built area, we're going to build 147.05 square meter. So this is like an ideal size of the 2-bedroom. We can go low until 110, but it's going to be quite squeezed or tight. This size is still a very proper size to apply for the 2-bedroom. And the pool size is 24.45 square meter. Okay, let's go for the ground floor first. So for the first area that we provide there in the front, is going for sure is car parking. Yeah, I'm not mentioned before. So this can be accessed by car. In the front area, we have some storage. There's going to be the place for the water treatment, the panel room, and we have a laundry beside of that. After you park, you're going to the left side. If you're facing to the river, that's going to be the stepping area to the main door to the property. After you go inside, you will find a storage for the keys and for the raincoat and anything. And you come inside. On the left side is going to be the staircase that goes up, that has integrate with the toilet. And on the right side is going to be the kitchen side and the dining room. And after you go to the back area, you're going to find the area for the living space. There's a big sofa area, and outside of that is going to be the outdoor dining area. So that's basically for the ground floor. We have the big pool deck area and a big swimming pool. This size is for me is quite balanced, if I say. Yeah, that's for the ground floor. Let's go to the second story or the first floor. You goes up on the staircase, you're going to find a corridor area, which is lead you to each bedroom. So we have a bedroom for the master and another standard bedroom. The difference from the master bedroom, this is going to be the area on the, if you go to the staircase corridor on the right, that's the master bedroom. We have a bigger space for the bed, for sure, wardrobe there, and double sink. So this is the difference between a master and the standard room. We have also the working table on the corner with the TV which is integrated on the wall. It's kind of funny for the position for the TV, but you can tilt a little bit because we have some bracket or cabinet that can be moved there. That's what Mr. Martin asked for. We have a sliding door with stuck in one area. And we go to the other bedroom. It's kind of similar a little bit. It just only have for the bathroom one sink only. And yeah, for the wardrobe, we don't have a walk-in closet. We have the wardrobe beside of the bed. And in the front of each bedroom, we have a balcony that connect them together. So this is basically the second story or the first floor setup. So for sure, 140 square meter. This is what we can get from the setup in that size. It's still proper, but to put a walk-in closet is going to be difficult. But for Mr. Martin, it's still okay. So I think that's it for the layout, everyone. I know it's going to be more fun if we can see the 3D. Let's check it out the image first, or we can directly see the video now. This is the animation part. Okay, it's a fun day today because I never mentioned before. This is our new studio and it's not finished yet. Actually, this is our secondary theme studio, DAP. Later, I will tell you a story about it. But for now, thank you for watching. This is the first part of the project from Mr. Martin from Dutch, Netherlands. Next, we're going to discuss about the other concept for the first villa and how the development progress in the field. At the moment, if I'm not wrong, they're still preparing the road. Yeah. And I hope we can start soon development everything. So thank you everyone for watching. Stay tuned in our channel, Gauri Art Division Studio. Bye bye.